Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so sorry I didn't film an intro, so we're just going to jump straight into this tutorial. And I'm just starting off by color correcting with my Maybelline Studio Chrome Master, whatever it's called. I'm going to link it in the bio. And I'm just color correcting with the burnt orange shade under my eyes and just all my dark spots that I have on my face. Now doing foundation, I'm going to use the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra, where I know I said that so wrong, so nobody come at me in the comments. I'm not good at knowing all the foundation's name with the bougie ass names. Anyways, so I'm just dotting that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender, and I'll have the shade in the description box below. Now taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm just applying the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my forehead. What did I just say? No, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And then also I will be applying the Covergirl concealer in a darker shade. It's going to be the shade M400, and I'm just going to apply that the same areas that I applied the LA Girl Pro Concealer, mixing them both and then blending it out with the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. Now taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder, I am just setting my whole face with this powder, and you guys, it's so good. I absolutely love setting my face with a beauty blender, and I'm using the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender from Target. It's literally $5, and it's so good because my original beauty blender ripped, and I'm so sad. And yeah, I need to go buy some more beauty blenders. Now I am taking my Bye Bye Pores from It Cosmetics. I'm just applying that all over my face, and you guys know how much I love this powder. It literally gets rid of any pores you have. It makes your face look so seamlessly finished, so flawlessly. It's amazing. And now I'm spraying my face with the badescu facial spray, and you guys, this stuff, after you put on so much powder, it literally makes your powder melt into your skin. It looks so good. You guys have to do this every time you guys, wear powder or set your face. Just spray it and then let it dry, and then apply the rest of your stuff on your face. Now taking the Naked palette from Urban Decay. It's the Honey palette, and it's so pretty. I'm just taking the shade right here and applying it into my crease. Now from the Urban Decay Honey palette, I'm just taking this light shade right here on a flat brush, and I'm just kind of like cutting my crease. I feel like this is like an easier way if you're in a rush rather than using concealer. So I'm just applying it like this. And now taking the shade right here, I'm just applying it on my outer V, and I'm blending it in. Now I'm taking my MAC Feline eyeliner, and I'm just tightlining the top of my eyes, and I'm kind of going a little bit over my eyelash line, and then I'm going to be blending it out with a brush. Now I'm applying mascara, and I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. Now applying my jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk from NYX, I'm just highlighting my bottom waterline. Now applying Shamiaazmin eyelashes, I'm using the style Azmin. Now using Hoola bronzer, I am just contouring my nose. Now using the NYX Hydra Touch in the shade Sable, I am just contouring my face with that. Now using my L'Oreal Paradise blush, I'm using the shade, I don't know what the shade is, I'm going to put it in the description box, but it's like a peach shade and it smells like peaches, so I'm thinking the name has something to do with peaches. Now taking this Becca lipstick in the shade Ruby, I'm just applying that on my lips, and it's such a gorgeous red lipstick. It kind of low-key reminds me of Ruby Woo from MAC, but this stuff is so pretty. Now from MAC, I'm using the Hyper Real Glow, and I'm just highlighting my face and the inner corner of my eyes and also my brow bone. Now I'm taking the shade from the palette and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now applying some Mario Badescu facial spray, and you guys, this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys! Don't think like that.